Brian here, Utah Gun Exchange 2018 SHOT Show. I am on the first floor where all the innovation occurs, and naturally I walk by this booth. These guys have the coolest little unit here. Show us what that thing does.
There it is.
Yes.
Rapid deployable bayonet.
That is tight.
That's where it's at, right?
And let me tell you, this is why I like this. Is
around
it. For me, this is why I like the first floor, because this is where I get to see the school
This
stuff.
is where it happens.
That's
Problems
right.
and solutions. That's what
Get
we're
that
looking at.
There you go.
It's there.
Deploy.
There it is.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this back around and get on you guys here.
Sure. So, Paper City Firearms created it, manufactured it. This is solving problems. Right now, here it is, completely locked in place, not coming out when you don't need it. When you do need it, here it is. This is a perfect application for puncturing tires, breaching doors, breaking windows. You know, if you're in a sticky situation, close quarters combat, the whole 9 yards.
Well, not only that, it's so accessible. You basically you can use it based on situations. So you can just actually attach it or unattach it.
Unattach it, attaches to any Picatinny rail right on the bottom.
And you told me a cool story about what was the motivation behind the product.
The whole point of this came from, it was a tactical training. They were clearing buildings. Goes into a room. There's two guys there. He pulls up his AR and his gun jams up on him. All of a sudden, you reach your hand down, you go for your sidearm, but by that point, the guys are coming straight at you. We'd love to have a bayonet on the end of your weapon. A little self-defense, close quarters. Problem with the bayonet, you got 5 guys marching through with bayonets trying to get in and out of Humvees, SWAT cars, trying to sneak around corners. Comes into a messy situation. With this little baby, you can hide it away, you can go in, do what you got to do, slide it down, and then as soon as you need it, rapidly deployable. It's there when you want it.
One of the nice things, unlike a bayonet, when the bayonet's out, it looks scary. With this, you're not having it out until it's deployed, so you're not looking aggressive prior to it.
It is so cool, guys. Paper City Firearms
Out of Holyoke, Massachusetts.
Where do we? So the audience, they love this. As a matter of fact, I would buy one right now if I could.
Sure.
I'm gonna buy one from you guys as soon as I get back home and figure out how to get it. So tell me, I want to get one. Where do I go? How do I get it?
Well, they're being manufactured as we speak. They'll be ready in May.
May. Okay, so we have to wait, guys. Just like everything SHOT Show,
Everything.
the coolest stuff, you want it right now and you can't get it.
Well,
The best things come to those who wait, man.
That's right.
how it
We're
is.
going to tweak them a little bit. We're going to make them a little lighter, a little sleeker and everything. So that's why.
What are we thinking on? We won't hold you to it, but what are we looking at price-wise? Range, maybe.
We're looking at starting off an introductory price originally $199.
$199. That's totally fair.
Totally fair, yeah.
I think it's absolutely fair.
Yeah, Paper City Firearms.
This is the kind of thing I'm just looking at it like.
Sure,
I mean, I'm in a tactical situation. I could potentially even attach this to my Molly outfit. I'm going into a situation where I need it. I can grab it, attach it to the firearm.
Yeah. You got 5 guys in a vehicle. You're ready to deploy. You're ready to do whatever. It's there. It's hidden. You can keep your, firearm close to you in the vehicle. It's close quarters. But when it needed,
Nobody's going to get poked with it unnecessarily. It's genius, guys. I love it. I love
The way
it.
it locks, you never have to worry about tripping, falling with it, and it getting deployed.
Do you guys have a website?
Yes, we do. www.papercityfirearms.com.
And that's where it'll be.
And that's where it's going to be.
Show me some of your other products that you've got here.
Well, we have handguards that range from 6, 7, 9, 10, 13, 15, and 16.5-inch models. We make them in the M-Lock system, as well as we also make models for the Ruger Precision Rifle, as well as a 308. The Ruger Precision Rifle, if I can have your attention over here, has our standard rail on it. As you can see, the way we made it, it's flush to the Picatinny on their rifle. Also, we make a optics ready version, so you can keep a low objective with larger scopes. We also have a 308 model of the DPMS platform that not only is it flat on the bottom with the M-lock, but it has the M-locks on the side as well as diagonally. So
Super cool. That's really nice looking.
And these are 16.5 inches.
Let me feel that. Wow, super light.
14.5 ounces.
Unbelievable.
So we like to have our stuff, it's lightweight, it's smaller in diameter than the norm, and it has the best grip around because we have this beautiful scalloped grip on the bottom where your fingers just sink right into it.
Guys, these are super cool products. I'm so happy I stopped. What else you got?
We have our sight system. It's called the Repeatable clamping system. We have a patent pending on our clamping system. So what happens is, it's a spring-loaded screw.
Okay, let me get a close-up on that.
Spring-loaded screw. You come up and over the rail, and now it's on. It's tight as can be right now, but you tighten it up with a screwdriver, torque it. Once you torque it, you zero everything out. You can take it off as long as you go over the same Picatinny rail again. You tighten it up. The way it clamps, it grabs it the same way every time. You're back at zero.
Absolutely awesome, man.
And also, for people in Massachusetts, New York, and everything, we make a two-piece low-profile gas block. So when you have to cut things off, when you're changing things, you put one of these on, and then you don't need to cut anymore. You can just unscrew it to clean, change things out. And one last thing, we have, this is called the nub. It's a modular hand grip, okay? It comes in 4 pieces.
So cool.
Right for this? So say you want a 1-inch section, you just unscrew it, screw off the bottom, it screws right in here. You want 2 inches?
Give me a break,
you
guys.
Want 3 inches?
This is cool stuff.
It has O-rings on it, and it's waterproof.
Go ahead and show us that one more time, how you take it apart.
Sure.
It's just an adjustable length.
Exactly.
Boy,
it has O-rings on it to keep it waterproof, so you can put your SOT paperwork, matches, an extra battery, and we do have sponge on the bottom and top, so it doesn't make contact.
I'm 100% sold. When I get home, I'll be visiting Paper City Firearms, and I'll be buying.
Thank you
Mike,
very much, Brian.
Peter, thanks for hosting us, man.
Oh, no, we appreciate
Thanks
you.
for coming to the show.
Thank you, man. Thanks for coming by.
All right,
Appreciate
take care, brother.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and go to UtahGunExchange.com for all of your Patriot gear needs.
To all those in Second Amendment deprived states, if you're reading this, you are the resistance, and we are with you. The nation's Patriot Marketplace. Buy, sell, trade. UtahGunExchange.com.